Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and this pink bag can mean only one thing. Ipsy's here, Ipsy's here, Ipsy's here. So let's see what I got this month. So for those of you who may not know, Ipsy is an online subscription. You just can sign up online, and it's $10 a month, and they send you 5 samples and a bag every month. And this is a really cute makeup bag. It says Ipsy on it. I like the plastic zipper. And let's see what I got. First thing is Dr. Lip Original Nipple Balm for dry skin, luscious lips, and glossy bite. That is interesting. Multi-purpose balm, a gloriously rich treatment for lips and any very dry bits. Famous for its long-lasting gloss and instant moisturizing effect. All right, Dr. Lip. Ugh. Now it's stuck to me. Oh, it's like a Vaseline-y kind of texture. There's no scent. It's very Vaseline-y. It's a little thicker maybe than Vaseline, but that's what it feels like. So there's that. It's all right. And this one is Pore Clear Black Charcoal Peel Off Mask from Pure Heals. So that's kind of nice. Refreshing peel off mask with Terranin pore complex and charcoal powder that visibly reduces the size of pores and clarifies the skin. And this is July 2018 Ipsy. And this one is La Beauté Fatale. La Beauty Fatale, I guess. I don't know. I'm probably butchering the way that they say it, but it looks like a lipstick, and it's in the color Vibrate. Oh, wow. And it is vibrant. Woo-wee. This is very bright. This is totally not my color at all, but it is pretty. It's just not my color. I will probably give that to my daughter. It's a pretty color, but woo. Which is one good thing about having a daughter, because when I do stuff like this, there's often things that I will share. Oh, and this is some eyeshadow, it looks like. E-Pressed Harmony. Doesn't really tell you what it is, but I am almost positive that this would be an eyeshadow. Oh, and it's not open, and I'm not going to open it because this is not my color either. I will give this and this to my chick. And finally, we have a Lorac Front of the Line Pro Eye Pencil in black. Front of the Line Pro. That sounds fancy. And it's cute packaging. I like the silver. Oh my, that wasn't supposed to happen, I'm sure. I'm afraid to use it because it's sticking so far out. I don't think that's right. Oh, there we go. It's very nice. And that is that. So that is everything I got from Ipsy this month. And it's fun. It's not my best month, but you know, I've had worse. So I like it. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.